Alright, everybody. Another unboxing. Let's see what this looks like here. Man, I wish you wouldn't play that music. Alright, but anyways, 60 ounces, 60 silver rounds. Let's see here. These are all the same. This is from J&M Bullion. They're silver, 1 ounce silver Towne buffalo silver rounds. Of course, they're taped like crazy. Let's see if I can get these off. If I can get this open. I like this because they don't usually have any problems like opening or anything in transit, but they're so hard to open when you get it. It's ridiculous. There it is. That looks great. And these are just for like stacking ounces basically, like nothing special about these. But they do look pretty nice. But anyway, just thought I'd show you these. So there's 2 more. That's so hard to open. I'm just gonna leave those closed, put them in the safe. So but anyway, it looks pretty good. Keep on stacking, everybody.